Hello everyone, I'm George from TSS, and in this video we'll be unboxing the TSS multi-point door handle with 117mm centre. Like all TSS multi-point door handles, they're supplied boxed with the TSS branded sleeve, which has all the core information on there and line drawing and specifications on the back. The box also has the product information on either side, so they're perfect for in the back of the van or on a shop shelf. Inside the box you will receive the handle set, and an accessory pack. This pack includes 2 spring cassettes, a solid spindle which is 8mm by 125mm, and 2 sets of fixings. We've got a set that is 75mm and then another set which is 85mm in length. All of the products in the box, all of the components, are individually bagged. This is to avoid damage in transit. These handles are available in white, black, polished brass, polished chrome and silver. And the handles, as you can see, are in line, so both measurements are identical. I'm going to go over those measurements now for you. So you do have a back plate measurement of, there you go, 267mm, which you can see there, if I can get that in, there you go. The width of the handle is 32mm. The centres are 117mm. Screw centres are 237mm. Your top screw to spindle centre is 82mm, and the base of the Euro cutout to the centre of the bottom screw is 10mm. Thank you for watching.